Welcome to Nucleus One. For our demo today, we'll be focusing on using N1 for Realty, specifically buyer-side client prospecting. I'll show you how to use N1 to automate the gathering of information you need to vet new clients and grow your business. We're going to explore a simple system that 1. Lets any new buyer fill out a form detailing what they're looking for in a property, 2. Responds with an email pointing to a form detailing their financials, and 3. Creates a new task to keep track of any information about this client. First, let's check out our forms. For this process, we're going to use 2, property preferences and client financials. This is what our form builder looks like, a grid with drag and drop elements on the left-hand side and properties on the right. You can click here to preview the form at any time. You can add any other questions or selections you'd like to this form to get new clients excited. You can also include special document fields that will become a property of the final document. In this case, both name and email are document fields, so we can use that data to search or create workflow. The client financials form will collect the information most critical to your dealings with a new client, and includes the same document fields as the preferences form. Now it's time to bring it all together in a workflow. This is where we can create automatic processes like the one we're using today. Here's our workflow builder, a grid of interconnected triggers and actions that help to automate many processes. These modules can be added to the grid and connected in any configuration. This module monitors incoming preference form submissions and sends a signal to this module, which sends an email to the address entered in the form. This email module thanks the potential buyer for their submission and includes a link to the client financials form. If the buyer fills out the financial form, it will be caught by this module, which points to this one that creates a task. And that's it. Now when someone submits both forms, you'll be notified and have a task waiting in N1. The task will already have the financial document attached. Looks like James is ready to buy. Let's find his preferences document and attach it to the task. N1 is also the perfect hub for collecting digital signatures and storing key documents, like inspection reports, later in the buying process. This is just a small part of what's possible, and it's all free for the first 1 or 2 users. Unlock the power of Nucleus One and see how teams get work done.